Ever worked for a boss who's calm, steady, and impossible to rush? Stick with me, under 2 minutes, quick tips to win them over. I'll reveal their sign later, stay with me. They're steady, reliable, hard to sway, intentionally careful. You'll spot tidy desks and clear plans, step-by-step checklists, routine over chaos, detail-oriented. Try to rush them? Nope. Guess the sign? Yup, Taurus. Tip 1. Be on time, every time. Consistency builds trust. Aim 5 minutes early. Standards are high. Bring your best work. Tip 2. Bring facts, not hype. Short note, clear numbers, 1-page summary. Proof beats promises, every time. Tip 3. Don't request sudden change. Offer 2 options and a calm timeline. Let them choose. Control lowers friction. Play it steady, for rock-solid support. Now, about that Taurus stubbornness, sometimes it feels like hitting a wall, right? It's not that they won't move, just not without a reason. Usually because they've thought it through, twice. They aim for the right decision, not the fast one. Slow? Maybe. Sloppy? Never. So working with a Taurus boss takes patience and steady follow-through. Show up, keep it real, they reward loyalty, effort, and consistency. Clear wins. Earn their trust, and you're basically family. If your boss is Taurus, choose safe options, celebrate small wins, and yeah, pack a little extra patience. It pays off. Want quick tips for people in your life? Subscribe and check our playlists.